Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Samsung S25 Plus. So first, if you got a screen protector or a case, remove it and let me tell you why. Basically, when your case is covering even a tiny part of your screen, so it's not stopping at the bezels for an example, but it's stopping at the screen, then it can cause your screen to make any ghost touches. So ghost touches is touches that you do not do. So for example, something just clicked the camera and it wasn't you. That's an example. Now they can appear on the entire screen. So they can happen here for an example, they can happen here, and they can also happen here. So that's unlucky. And now if you got a screen protector and it's poorly applied or just misaligned, then it can already be an issue for your ghost touches. So make sure to remove it if that's the case. Now, what you guys want to do is clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture, and fingerprints. So I have a microfiber cloth right here. Now let's just swipe a couple of times. 4 swipes are definitely enough. You could stop at even 3. Now our screen should be shiny and good. What we want to do next is we want to restart our phone. So let's hold the power button only. This way we basically get rid of any minor glitches because we refresh the system. And now all we have to do is wait. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and unlock the phone, wait for it to start, and now as a last resort, update your software. So go over to the settings. Now you need to go down in the settings until you see software update almost at the bottom. Now click check for updates and it will automatically check if you have the latest version. So my software is up to date, so that means I got the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest software because the new software gets rid of any old glitches, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.